It's literally 2 a.m. in the morning, and I'm here creating content strategy for the videos that I want to upload. This is how bad I want this. It has to work. I don't have a backup plan. I have so much responsibility. I have a son that needs to be fed. I also have a dog, and I'm living in this shitty small studio apartment, and I really want to change my life. I want a better life for me and my son and my dog, and my family is depending on me. Like, I'm a first daughter, and I don't have a choice but to succeed. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I have to do it. I have to make it. I have no choice but to succeed. I don't know if you're there and you're resonating with this, like the kind of obsession that I have and the delusion of all the things I want to achieve. Like, it's keeping me up at night. Like, I can't sleep. There's so much that I haven't done, and I wish someone told me sooner. I should have started sooner, because right now I'm racing. I'm racing because I'm paying the price of not starting anything sooner. So if you're there and you need any encouragement, this is the video for you, because I have been in a situation where I'm feeling very lost, watching things that don't matter. I've seen people, I'm watching their journey, I'm there supporting them, and they're achieving something, and I'm still in the same situation. I don't have a backup plan, I don't have a safety net. I need this social media thing to work. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I have to make it work, because there's no other way left for me, and I don't know what is possible. So I have to make the change and find out later because it's gonna be one day at a time, because I know some things may not fall as I want them to, but I'm just done in scrolling, procrastinating, and trying to become someone that I am not proud of. It's been 10 years since I finished high school, and I feel like I am not the girl that I was thinking I'm gonna be. I'm not in a place where I wanted to be. So I feel like my life is stuck in a routine where I'm so comfortable, and I want to get out of it so bad, because right now, like, my bills are due. I don't have a job. I had a waitress job that I lost 3 months ago, and it's been just a downhill from then. I have been trying online jobs here and there for the last couple of years, and everything that I've learned, all the experiences and everything I have learned, I just want to share here, improve. Like, I want to create and learn with you guys. I'm going to document as I learn a high value skill that is going to create a high ticket product for me to get to 1 million sooner. I want to build like a business that is almost hands off, because I want to create it once and I want it to run itself. So some of the ideas that I have at the top of my head is digital products. I want to build a very good product that you'll be willing to get it for yourself, that is already done for you. Create a shop, seasons, and upload them. Mostly, if you know Etsy, you would know what I'm talking about. I want something that's gonna be running and making me money even when I sleep. The third thing I am going to do is do automation. I want to get in before it be so saturated for you to even get a chance. So using AI for automated YouTube videos, that is something I want to get into. So follow my journey. I don't know what's going to work or not going to work, but I'm so determined to try, because I want to live in a life where I am always saying, oh my god, I'm glad I did it, than I wish I could have or would have. I don't want to live in a life of regret. I just want to achieve something that I have dreamt of. I have always wanted to be in social media, and it has taken me so long to actually realize that everything is gonna be so cringe. I have videos from since 2019, and I have never even uploaded them because I felt like I don't look good. I have acne on my face. I have I'm not in a very aesthetic room. Maybe I am not looking, I don't have the best clothes. I always had an excuse for this, but it just come to my knowledge that all these things don't really matter. What matters is what you do, what you start, what you build. I want to build like an empire where I'm living for my kids. Like, I want a bloodline to be sorted out because I did something. I woke up, I started that routine, I became disciplined, I started that business that is running. Like, I want to, by the time my son is old enough, I want him to realize like how much potential he has, and I want to build that base for him, that he will be the boss. I don't want him employed. I don't know if my parenting is good enough, but I wouldn't want my son to be employed. I would want him to start his own thing, and if I don't give him the opportunity to be able to do that, I don't think it's gonna happen. So it's so hard, but we're gonna make it work. You must be wondering, why am I posting? I'm posting because I want to post my wins, my failures, my journey, my late nights like this one, my ideas, the pressure that I'll be in. It's getting to me, by the way, and the growth that I'm going to grow on social media. I want to document it. I want to come back and say, look how cringe I was, and look how I was just there, just talking to the camera like I'm crazy. Like, this is so crazy, but I want to come back and think like this was the best decision I ever made. I want to build a personal brand that is beneficial. Like I want to help women like me in my situation that are having so much responsibility in their hands and have no one to fall back on. I know very well you can make this. You can make it happen. I'm going to start this channel this early. I know it's kind of too late because I'm already like 28 already, but it took me so much to be confident to be able to come, and I was like, this confidence is gonna come as I go, because I'm feeling scared, honestly. I am scared shitless, but I want this to be proved that starting early matters. I don't want to be 30 and I'm thinking, oh god, I wish I had started earlier. Maybe when I was in 28, maybe I look like this. I wish I had started this channel, and that's what I want to do right now, because I don't want regrets. I just want to be in a life. I'm saying I can't believe I did this. It has taken me 28 years to realize that I've not been disciplined. I'm disappointed in myself. I am starting a new slate, and I want you guys to follow along with me. I know I am not famous. I am not a guru. I am just a girl in a hard situation and trying to get back up, and I'm doing whatever it takes. And no matter how much challenges I'll face, I want to get back up, because there is no one else who is there to save me, and there is no one that I'm depending on or falling on, or a safety net. None of that. It's just me. Even though I will fail like 100 times, I will get up 100 times until it works. It's gonna be straight. It's going to be cringe until it works. I want to respect myself enough to say like, I started this. Even if I didn't believe in myself, I started this scared, I started this tired, I started this when I wasn't feeling like the best version of myself. I don't dress like a version of myself that I would want, but me stepping up, me making this step is showing my future self that I am trying, I am taking the first step, I am going to do this, I am going to succeed, and so should you. Like this channel will be just to encourage you. Like I want you to win, like women. I want you to be so obsessed. If you didn't come from money, you should do everything humanly possible to be wealthy and rich. I want to close the gap. Get this money. Get out of your comfort zone, because the comfort zone is not going to pay your bills. It's not going to give you that job. It's not going to give you that relationship that you want. I need you to take the challenge without knowing the outcome, because right now I feel like it's getting real. It's getting to me that a lot of people in my age already have something figured out, and I don't. And I always feel like I'm behind, and it's about time to change that. I stop focusing on other people and actually build something for myself. Make everything about money. If it's your career that you're going, look for the career that makes a lot of money. If it's the degree you're going to get the degree that makes the most money. Rise above the average. Have the clarity. Be done by starting over. Like I'm so done starting over. Like this is like my 80th time to start over, and I am just so exhausted. I don't want to start over anymore. I just want to see where I can get, how much potential I can have, how much motivation do you need? You need to get to where you want to be, because I know you and I know, like we know exactly what you're supposed to do to get to the point that you're supposed to get into, but somehow you can't get yourself to do it. That was me, and I want to change that. I know that what I need to do to get there, but I end up not doing it. I'm creating excuses because I'm so comfortable in my comfort zone until my comfort zone is no longer comfortable. And now I have to make it no matter what. Like the drive that I have right now is so unmatched. Like I don't know, I had to go through that shit to reach rock bottom for me to be able to get up and do something about my life, because I have so much that I haven't done, so much that needs to be done, and I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I just have to do something. I want to be wealthy. I want to be rich as fuck. I want the money that I don't even know what to do with it, And I just want the ultimate freedom to be able to be like the girls I see on social media. They are mostly traveling, mostly living their best lives, and that you don't see them working. Like I want to build a business that is running itself, that I have the time to travel, I have the time to explore, I have the time to spend with my son and my dog and take walks and spend quality time, go and do the normal things, try to juggle between everything, the life, friendship, I don't know what. Oh my god, it's so hard. I don't know who it is to hear this. I don't know who is going through this, but I want to tell you, you deserve it. You know you deserve it. You know you can get there. You know you are worthy. So don't act like you don't. Don't ask for anything that you think can happen. Just do the impossible, and the unthinkable is gonna happen. Yeah, that's the way I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna roll with it. I don't have a choice. I have to keep going. I don't have a fucking choice. And changing your mindset, using money as a tool to get more money, I will build a brand and make money out of it. I want to provide so much value that you will have no reason but to get it. I also want to be around rich people because the psychology of money is very weird. If you are around people who are okay with maybe 40k per month, you will be feeling like you are higher if you earn even a little bit more, you know. But if you are around people who that 40k is just pocket change, your view about money is going to really change. If you're watching this video, I want it to be a motivation to you to just start. Just do it. Just post. If it's posting you think you know posting is the one that's going to get you out of the situation that you are right now, just do it. I don't care if you don't know how to edit. Most of my first videos are not going to be the best edits because I'm not so good. But before I start delegating and having all these things figured out, you have to get it as raw as it gets. Like-minded women that are ambitious, that are going to go on this journey with me, around people who can turn ideas, wild ideas, into reality. Will it work? I don't know. I'm not sure, but you just have to stick around to find out. I'd rather spend my time trying than wondering what if I could have done it, gone through with it. What if I just put my phone there, I just talk to the phone? If you're someone with a goal bigger than the place you are right now, we need to be friends. We need to be friends because we need to celebrate each other, support each other to be able to achieve them and figure it out together. Because sometimes all you need is like to be around people you can talk about and people who can relate on the things you're going through, like burnout, the late nights, the editing, the hours, and the crazy content strategy and the advices left, right, and center about how to do it. This is how to go viral. I don't know what to do. I don't know. It's a lot. It's a lot. Just numb the noise. And let's do this. Let's make it work because we can. I'm in a mission to build an empire, and I want the girls that are going to go with me on that journey. I know I'm not famous, I'm not a guru, and all that, but all I have is an obsession to make my craziest dreams come true. I don't care how much time I'm going to fall. What matters the most is that I'm going to get back up every single time because I'm a 0 or 110 type of girl. So, yeah, let's make this happen. Like, your dream life is there waiting for you, and you are there lazing around, watching people make their dreams come true, and you're doing nothing about it. I want to do this with you. I want us to keep winning together. And if you're down, make sure you're downloading my How to Not Give a Fuck ebook. It's completely free. It's in my description. I think it will be also in my comment section. And I hope it helps a girl out there. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, ciao.